Hi, Jenny here. Today we are going to use our air fryer again and we are going to make some zucchini chips. So let's get started. For this recipe we are going to need 1 large zucchini, half a cup of flour, 2 eggs, half a cup of breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 2 teaspoons of garlic salt or whatever seasoning you would like, and then some type of olive oil spray. I have already washed the zucchini, seeing as we are going to leave the skin on, and then we are just going to cut this into 1/4 inch slices. We will prep our 3 bowls. So we are going to have the eggs in a bowl, flour, and then our breadcrumbs, cheese, and salt in another one. We will mix up our breadcrumbs, cheese, and seasoning. So I'm using garlic salt for this one. You can use whatever type of seasoning that you like to put on things. And then we'll just beat the eggs up a little bit. Now we will take the zucchini pieces, dip them in the flour, tap off any excess. And we're going to put them in an egg wash, and then dip them in our breadcrumb mixture, and then set them off on a plate until we're ready to cook them. So there we go. Repeat. Flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. Well, I actually ran kind of short on my breadcrumbs, and I still have some zucchini left. So I'm just going to add a little bit more in there, and some breadcrumbs and cheese, which is good. Last time I made this recipe, I actually had like a whole lot of ingredients left over. So I prefer it this way, where I can just add extra. We are now going to preheat our air fryer at 400 degrees for 3 minutes. Air fryer has beeped, so we are going to now lay our zucchini chips in a single layer So we'll have to cook these in a couple batches. And after we get them in here, we are going to spray them with some type of an oil spray. I have my misto, which I have olive oil in. So just give them a quick spray. And we're going to cook them. I'm going to go at 390 and we're going to go for 5 minutes. And then we are going to flip them over and spray them again. My air fryer seems to cook a little hot, so that's something that you want to be aware of when you're using your air fryer. Most of the recipes said 400 degrees, so I'm just going to go a little bit less than that. And we'll start with that and see where we're at. Woo. Nice, that's 5 minutes. So we're going to turn them over, spray them again, and maybe I'm going to go for 4 minutes because these already seem pretty well done. Ouch. Oh, don't burn yourself on your fryer. They already look good and crispy. They sound crispy. I suppose we'll put this down and do this anyways, huh? Try 4. All right, our 9 minutes is up. Let's see. Yep, looking pretty good. Nice and crispy. Pretty much done. Almost again, just a tad over. So I guess I would even go 1 minute less than this for my air fryer. You have to know what's right for your air fryer, but just try less. Get to the point, trying less first before I try more. More time, I should say. Time and temperature. I had to adjust both on the last recipe I made. So again, we'll do another single layer, spray them, and then maybe I'll go for 4 minutes and 4 minutes. 8. Sneak another one in here. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8. All right. All right. This time I went for 4 minutes. It looks pretty good. So again, we'll flip them and spray them. And I'll go for another 4. There we have 8 minutes. So that seemed to work out well. The zucchini chips are done. They turned out really well. They are very nice and crisp. Look good on both sides. I think this is the best recipe I've made yet in the air fryer. I guess just like everything else in life, right? The more you practice, the better you get. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. I am just over 400 subscribers right now, so I'm so excited. Yay! So thank you so much for that. I really appreciate that. I still enjoy making these videos and it's exciting to watch the channel grow. So I will leave this recipe down in the description below. Let me know in the comments below if you've made air fried zucchini before, whether in the air fryer or if you've made them in the oven. if you like zucchini. I'm going to enjoy my snack. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. Oh yeah. That's crunchy. That's tasty. Taste the salt. Taste zucchini. I'll be eating most of this. I don't know if there'll be any to share.